This is my new friend Therese and her little dog Daisy Mae. And she is here with me at Clear Lake Campground for Doggy Days. Therese has agreed to let me interview her and show me around her van. Therese, tell me what your van is.
Rolling in the red down the winding road. Every corner's a story, every mile a code. Campfires crackle under starry skies. New friends gather with curious eyes. Show me your home on wheels, your life in a frame. Trailers and campers never look the same. Motorhome shining like a traveling parade on this road of dreams where memories are made.
She's small but mighty. She's a Nissan LV 200 little cargo van that's been built out by Recon Campers, some folks down in LA, and they did a beautiful job.
Excellent. Well, just looking at the side of your van, I love this picture on it. Beautiful,
Yeah,
very pretty.
Yes.
And I see it
looking.
has a pop top too. That's unusual.
I can stand up in it, which
Fabulous.
is a game changer.
Fabulous. What year is the van?
2019.
Okay. And did you buy it new?
I did.
Okay.
Unfortunately, they don't make the little vans anymore.
Oh, yeah, that's too bad. So have you traveled in it and camped in it a lot?
Quite a bit, yes. Short trips, but we did take a trip. We went to Quartzsite and spent about a month, and then we went out and did the rounds through Utah, all the national parks in Utah, go up to Oregon, all over California. Well, not Southern California, Northern California. So that's about what I've done so far, but I want to reach out a little bit more.
Okay, very good. May we look on the other side?
Sure.
So, Teresa, what is this rack?
So yeah, it's a bike rack. And I do have a bike, but when I don't have the bike with me, I pile all sorts of stuff on here. So it's unbelievably useful, whether I have the bike or not.
Very good, very good. So this is your passenger side. Is that a quilt you have hanging there?
You know, it's a tapestry I just got from, I don't know, YouTube.
Okay.
Etsy or something.
Okay,
And I
okay.
just use it as a screen so I don't have to open the door all the time.
And use magnets?
Yes.
Yes,
I
good.
love magnets.
Yes, magnets are your best friend.
I do have a screen if I need to, if I have a lot of mosquitoes, but generally this is enough to keep the bugs out.
You're going to use it tonight. The mosquitoes
Okay.
are out in force after dark. Okay.
So
So maybe look inside.
yeah, feel free.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're now inside the van. Tell me about the front first. Let's go to the front.
So the cab area. So the passenger seat, it does not swivel around.
Uh-huh.
However, it folds really flat, and so that makes a nice surface for putting things.
Oh.
And then I store some stuff up in the driver's seat overnight. And then so
Where does Daisy Mae sit when you drive?
she sits in the passenger seat, but sometimes she likes to come back here as
Okay.
well.
Okay.
But generally the passenger seat.
Okay. So let's go this direction. And what is this down here with this heart tapestry?
So this, that's my porta potty.
Okay.
It's a composting. Well, quasi composting. It separates the solids and the liquids, and I love it. I've gone through a lot of iterations of little toilets, and this seems to be the best so far.
Good.
So yeah.
Okay. And what kind of do you use pellets, pads, or whatever?
No, I use like guinea pig stuff.
Okay, shavings.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very good.
Yeah.
And this must be your kitchen.
Kitchen. There's a sink in here
Okay.
with a little faucet, and there's 10 gallons of fresh water, and there's actually a heater for hot water. I don't use that much, to be honest with you, but I think it's a 3-gallon hot water heater.
Uh-huh.
And then a refrigerator, but this is pretty small.
Yeah.
So, whoops. So I supplement it with, oh, I learned something from Lulu's Way.
What's that?
And that is, I have a mini freezer. So what I do is I freeze blue ice, and then I keep blue ice in the
cooler.
soft-sided one, and then I swap it out.
Very
This is
good.
always creating
Cold.
frozen blue ice.
Right.
So yeah, that works really well. And I just keep flopping it.
All right. Do you have a stove?
No, I have a butane stove
Okay.
that I can set up outside. This is a table that I can set up here if I want to cook inside, which I did in Quartzsite because it was nasty
windy and
weather.
cold. Yeah, I know it was
This
there.
also can go on the outside of the van if I want to, but generally I cook outside. But now what I use is something called a bond bowl, and it is about this big, and it runs off a Jackery. So I don't use my house battery, I use a Jackery.
A Jackery.
And it does a beautiful job of cooking. It's an induction.
And it's much safer than having an open flame in the van.
I don't care for that.
A lot of people. And so let's look at the roof here.
Yeah, so it's I can stand up, which is nice. Actually, this is a sleeping platform that can come down. So if you want, you can sleep up there. I don't.
Yeah.
Because climbing up in there.
Probably
would
a
be,
child could.
Yeah, I think so. But the windows, and that one opens too, but I didn't want to look at the trailer next door, so I just have these. But that makes a big difference.
You look like you have blankets stored up there.
Yeah. And then the electronics are up here. This is my closet. So I have all this all color coded with pants and this, that, and the other.
Yeah.
And then the bed folds out. So at night, this folds out and comes out to about here.
Okay,
So
almost to the driver's seat.
When the bed is out, you're not doing much out in here except bed stuff.
Bed stuff.
But I can arrange the porta potty, so I can use that at night, which is nice. And the lights are great. I have other supplemental lights as well. I have a net hanging here. And we can go look in the back too for the garage.
All right. Okay.
And then we have the drawers. So have basically foodstuffs in here and more food stuff and cooking utensils.
Okay. Very cool.
So,
Now tell me the name of the company that built the van out for you.
yeah, they're called Recon Campers. Really quality build. Really quality. They're not building these out right now because you can't get the van. So they're going to another type of camper. Nobody knows
Do
yet
they
what
build
they're doing.
other kinds of vans?
Not yet.
Ah.
They're in the process of coming up with a new prototype.
I see.
So they're kind of in between right now.
Okay.
But it's a great company.
Cool.
And even now, if I have an issue, I can email them, and within 3 hours I get a response immediately, which is really nice.
And you said they're located where?
They're located both out of LA and Las Vegas.
Okay.
I think it's Las Vegas, yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Very
So
good.
they're good folks.
Is it okay if we look at your garage area?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. So this is your back.
Yeah. So all the tools and stuff I don't need that often are here.
Uh-huh.
There's more storage underneath the bed. So in other words, there's a gap under there. So I have stuff like levelers if I need it, hoses, whatnot.
Okay.
And then I have electrical stuff which I'll probably plug in later tonight. Outdoor shower. And if I am going to use the outdoor shower, which is really nice, I can just take a tapestry and clamp it here, and I can do the shower
Have you
outside.
used it? Have you used it yet?
No, I have not. I have washed off my bicycle with it,
Oh, okay.
with the cold water. And then I have these guys, just little cabinets.
Nice little cabinets.
That's in this. And yeah, I had these. I do have to take all this off in order to access the garage.
Yeah, but still, there's still a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Thanks for taking an interest in my little van.
Oh, it's very interesting. So I got a couple questions for you, Therese.
Sure.
What is the least favorite thing about your van?
The least favorite thing is that when the bed is all the way out, there's not much I can do in there. So I've learned to put that out at the last minute. Okay. Yeah, I've learned to put that out at the last minute just before I'm going to bed. Sitting on the couch is comfortable, but if I want to snuggle in bed, I have to realize that there's not much else I can do. I can get in and out of the van.
Right. So, Therese, what is your favorite thing about your van?
Okay, favorite thing is it's small and it's easy to drive. Piece of cake, it's like a car. Gets great gas mileage. I can pretty much set up within, I don't know, 15 minutes I'm pretty much set up.
Okay, fabulous, fabulous. Therese, thank you so much for allowing me to do
Thank
the
you
interview
for
and
showing
view. And when I first said hello to you earlier, you said, I know you.
Yes, follow your channel.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, Therese, thank you. We're going to have a wonderful camp out this weekend, and stay crafty.
I shall.
Thank you for watching this interview and tour with Therese and her Nissan van. I'd like to thank my channel members, Sherry, Rita, and Desert Adventures in Arizona. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe, and give me that thumbs up and join my channel. Thank you for watching.